He was there. I seen him. Raeigen, yeah, he's
Everyone, try to find somewhere where you can be seated and quiet. Because I'm an open court. Everyone remains seated and quiet. Miss Jennifer Robinson, turn on your video. 36th Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be absolutely no walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, or driving. When your name is called, please unmute your devices and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Mr. Walling.
Good morning, Judge.
Everyone, good morning. I'm gonna call the cases. I'm gonna call your name. Please let the attorney, it's either gonna be Mr. Walling or Mr. Ogletree. Let them say their names first, and then you say your name, okay? So just remember that. Mr. Richardson, take your hoodie off, sir. This is the people versus, and Mr. Davis, I know you're working, but take your hat off, sir. This is the people, you know what, this is the people versus Cameron Roberts, ticket number P13054558, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing Cameron Roberts. State your name, sir.
Cameron Roberts.
Today's the trial date, Your Honor. No officer moved to dismiss.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as no officer has appeared. Good luck to you, Mr. Roberts. Have a good holiday, sir.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. This is the people versus Johnny Reese, ticket number P1309011, count 1, drove a license not valid or improper license, ticket number P13089997, count 1, disregard traffic control device. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Aaron Ocean, about Mr. Johnny Reese. State your name, sir.
Johnny Reese.
Today's the day scheduled for trial. There's no officer requesting a dismissal.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Reese. As the officer has appeared, good luck to you, sir. Have a good holiday.
Thank you. You as well, ma'am.
I don't see Jacqueline. Alexis Dela Cruz, ticket number U37896517. Littering at public location. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Alexis Dela Cruz.
Aaron Ocean,
My name is Philip Walling, representing Ms. De La Cruz. Today's the date and time set for trial. No officer moved to dismiss.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as no officer has appeared. You are all set, Ms. Dela Cruz. Have a good holiday, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Jacob Davis Stallworth, ticket number P1321075, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Jacob Davis Stallworth.
Aaron Ocean, about for Mr. David Stallworth. All respect requesting a dismissal. No officer.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as no officer has appeared. You are all set, Mr. Davis Stallworth. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Versus, have a good holiday, sir. This is the people versus Marquita Reed, ticket number P1294394, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Aaron Ocean, about for Ms. Marquita Reed. Please state your name.
Marquita Reed.
Today's the day scheduled for trial. There's no officer requesting a dismissal.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. Good luck to you, Ms. Reed.
Thank you.
There's one more, Jacqueline Durham. You guys see Jacqueline Durham?
Sit up, Mr. Stone. You have to sit up.
You got the file up there?
Yeah, I don't see Jacqueline Durham.
Yep. You don't see her or her on the docket?
I see her on the docket. I don't see where she is.
Oh,
All right, this is, Ms. Robinson, are you available now? Turn your video on, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, turn your video on, please. All right, this is the People versus Jennifer Robinson, ticket number P1364241, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, improper plate. Ticket number P1364243, count 1, no receipt of or unsigned registration, and count 2, expired plate. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
my name is Philip Walling, representing Ms. Robinson. I don't see that there's any officer on the docket, so
No officers checked in for that name.
move to dismiss, Your Honor.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Ms. Robinson, good luck to you, ma'am. Have a
Thank
good
you.
holiday.
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome, thank you. Oh, but Ms. Robinson,
Yes.
you do have some other tickets.
I know. I'm trying to make a payment because I'm on a fixed income. I get disability and I'm trying to make payments.
Are they?
And Ms. Robinson, you really need to put on a shirt. You really do.
I'm sorry. It's a dress. I'm sorry. It's a shirt. I have a shirt on, but I can put a jacket on.
Yes, do.
Let me.
Hold on, Ms. Robinson, just hang tight. We're gonna see what's going on with your other tickets.
Okay.
Stone Richardson. This is the People versus Stone Richardson. Ticket number P1231651, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Stone Richardson. Where my lawyer at?
I don't believe
No,
I,
here. This is the officer here.
I don't think I talked to him.
There's no officer.
Oh, Your Honor, move to Philip X. Walling, representing Stone Richardson. Move to dismiss.
All right, there's also another ticket. It's not on the docket, but there's also a ticket of count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. This was set for trial at 9. It's 1019, officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Richardson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good holiday. Had these other two, Raymond Ray, and Jacqueline Durham, but I don't see them in the breakout rooms anymore. So I don't know if they fell off or what happened.
Was they no officers?
Yeah, they're not. Well, I'm just gonna call them. I think they didn't they check in? Didn't the Jacqueline Durham check in?
Jacqueline Durham, yeah, she checked in. And who was the other one?
Raymond Ray?
Oh, somebody. Raymond Ray, let me see. Raymond Ray, yes, he checked in too. Awesome.
I took the closed ones out, left ones to the left, to you without the understanding.
All right, so Ms. Robinson, did you want to resolve all your tickets today?
I would love to, but I don't have the funds at the
No,
moment.
I mean, I'm not saying you gotta pay them today, you still have one. Even these civil infractions are open? No, these are closed.
Damn, this is civil infraction. Those were showing, the civil infraction.
You have 5 tickets you need to probably resolve. So I'll set this for the prosecutor to make an offer and see if you want to deal with that.
Okay.
Mr. Ogletree, Mr. Walling, I I don't know what happened to Jacqueline Durham, but I'm gonna call these cases and, because there's no officer, so.
Jacqueline Durham's officer is here, Sergeant Carson. He left to go to 2 other courtrooms, but
Oh, he is? Okay.
yes.
Sergeant Carson's back. Sergeant Carson's back.
Oh, I was just about to call it. Okay, so Sergeant Carson is here. Never mind on that one. And then, what about for Raymond? Raymond Ray.
Raymond Ray, no officer.
All right, so I'm just gonna call this one. I don't know what happened to him, but we'll call it. This is the people versus Raymond Ray, ticket number P1340809, count 1, defective brake lights, count 2, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Philip X. Walling, representing Raymond Ray, who has signed in but is no longer present. Your Honor, there's no officer here. I'd ask the court to dismiss this matter.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. She is all set.
Thank you.
And then let me see, Taiwan Robinson.
Roberts, Tyron Roberts.
Robert, sorry.
He's out. He's there.
Okay. He's a free. This is the people versus Tyan Roberts, ticket number SP 1315476, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Philip Walling, representing Tyan Roberts. State your name, sir.
Tyan Roberts.
Your Honor, Mr. Roberts has furnished documentation. He is in compliance. Move to dismiss.
All right, with that, you stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Walling.
So stipulated.
And this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Roberts has provided valid documentation.
Now, Your Honor, with your assistance, I have some people that I just need a new date on.
Okay.
So, Your Honor, you want me to put Ms. Robinson in a breakout room?
And she can wait.
Okay.
From Ms. Horn.
Yeah, and she has sent some documents to Ms. Horn, so maybe that'll help.
And Mr. Roberts, your cases were dismissed. So-
Okay, that's what I was gonna ask. I didn't know if I could leave yet. Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Petway, I'm gonna bring out Mr. Fakaj. Ms. Coles is asking him to call her. Do you have her phone number and can you chat it to him
Okay.
when he comes out?
Yes, I can.
If he comes out. Okay, who else are you ready on? Are you ready on Mr. Rivers?
Rivers.
Yes, there's no officer.
There is an officer.
Oh,
Ms. Horn talked to the officer.
okay. So I would ask them to go back to the breakout room, but I have a number of other cases ready.
Say that one more time.
I have a number of other cases ready. For example, people ask for bench trials, asking for pretrial
Okay.
dates.
Yep, just let me know who you're ready on.
Miss Reed, Monique Reed, on page 3 of the docket, she's asked for a pretrial date. Then on page 4 of the docket, Tamara Robertson asked for a bench trial. Rashawn,
Hold on. You said Monique, is it Monique Reed?
yes, MONTINIQUE, Reed.
We'll bring her out, but you might have to go and get her.
Okay.
Who else?
Tamara Robertson on page 4 of the docket. Then Rashawn, also on page 4 of the docket, last name, asking for a bench trial. So RUSHHON.
Oh, LeBaron, oh, I got it.
And then Eddie Ridley, page 4 of the docket, delayed sentence plea. Let's see what else.
Okay, if they're not coming out, you might have to go and get them.
Okay.
I have some others that are ready for new dates too, Your Honor.
Okay, just a minute. Mr. Prakash, Mr. Petway is going to chat you Paula Cole's phone number. The officer is present and she has asked that you give her a call.
Okay, and I'm doing that. Okay, I'm doing that right now. Oh, I secure the code.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who are you ready on?
I'm ready on Ms. Dennis. She's on the afternoon docket. We're just asking for another date. I'm also asking for a Redmond, J. Redmond. It's a show cause today. We're asking for a pretrial date. I guess I probably should talk to Ms. Cole about Ms. Davis. It's scheduled for arraignment, but it's a state case. We were just going to get a new pretrial date if that's acceptable to her, of course. And then D. Deering.
I don't see Miss Dennis.
She's on the afternoon, Judge, the 1:30 docket.
No, I know. I don't see her in the breakout room.
Oh. Okay.
All defendants, please turn on your video. Raymond Jeffrey, turn on your video.
Has Ms. Horn come back from her other courtroom?
Not yet.
Okay.
All defendants, turn on your video.
Yes.
What's the name of the prison for this afternoon?
Prakash is here. You guys can go back into room number 1. Mr. Prakash, you can go back into room number 1. Ms. Cole is
Ms. Robinson, you need to remain in the camera.
Mr. Prakash, you want to go back into room number 1? You can go. I mean, I guess we'll just. Let me see if I can-
Ms. Robinson, turn on your video.
Okay.
And Mr. Robinson, you need to come back into the video.
I'll go January 19th, trial date. Wait a minute, no, that ain't right. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Mr. Prakash, can you go back into room? Breakout room number 2 or 1, rather?
Yes, Judge.
No, Ms. Cole is in there.
Oh, she is. Okay. I just called her and had to leave her a message. So,
Yeah, she's in there.
I'll put him in there, Judge. I send him to breakout room 2. 1.
Open up court, Mr. That way.
Okay, will everyone please remain quiet? I'm going to open court. 36th District Court is now in session. with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court is session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, or driving, or smoking. Your name is called. Please unmute your device if muted. Give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor. Ms. Robinson?
Yes.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
All right, Mr.
Dennis.
Mr. Walling, well, who are you ready on? Who do you want to get?
Dennis, if she's here.
Not here. I don't know where she's at.
Okay, how about Redmond?
All right, Jeffrey.
Yes.
Redmond. Everyone,
Yes.
I'm gonna call the case. When I call the case, please let the attorney, Mr. Walling or Mr. Ogletree, say their names first. Then you say your names, okay? This is the people versus Jeffrey Redmond. Ticket number P1242656, count 1, drove without cycle endorsement / no moped license. Good morning, Mr.
Philip X. Walling, representing Jeffrey.
Morning.
Representing Jeffrey Redmond. State your name, please.
My name is Jeffrey Redmond.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a show cause. I move the court to recall all the warrants, waive any kind of formal reading, and ask the court to set these matters for a pretrial.
All right, the court will do that, but the court is quite hesitant because it's already set for a show cause, so he's already missed a hearing. And we don't want to just keep setting hearings that he's not gonna appear to.
I will reiterate that to him.
What's the?
Well, need to set for trial. 119.
Mr. Watt, are you willing to just set it for a trial date?
I prefer a pretrial. And I'm in no rush. He's trying to collect paperwork,
I think.
and he's kind of, a cycle endorsement is kind of weather determinative.
Okay, so we'll do January 19th at 8:35.
Thank you, Judge. Did you get that, Mr. Redmond?
January 19th, 8:35.
January 19th, 8:35.
Okay, this the courtroom I come in again?
Yes.
Trustee right now.
So do I just go that same 360 number?
Yes.
That same number that I was given?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is he free to go, Your Honor?
Yes.
Goodbye, Mr. Redmond. Happy holidays.
Gone.
Good. Deering, Your Honor. Deering is ready to get a new date. Deering is scheduled for.
Deering is already set for a pretrial, so are we setting for a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Versus Deering, ticket number SP 1370604, count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Deering. State your name.
Derek Deering.
Your Honor, as the court stated, today's the date and time set for a pretrial. We're asking the court to set this matter for a bench trial.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Deering. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 19th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good one, have a good holiday, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. right now.
All right, who else, Mr.?
That's all I have right at this point, Your Honor. A number of people have sent documents to Ms. Horn, and we're looking for a resolution there, and I have a couple of people I need to talk to her about, so.
Okay. Mr.
I have a
Ogletree?
number of cases ready.
Good,
They're all in the meeting room.
good, and I will talk to Ms. Cole at this point.
Okay.
There was one case I didn't mention, Mr. Ali Dokuma, the Arabic interpreter is present. That's an arraignment on bench warrant. He's requesting another pretrial date. That's on page 1 of the docket.
People versus Ali Dakmak, ticket number
Yes.
SP 1213723, count 1 improper plates, and ticket number count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the interpreter.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Ms. Ali Dokuma.
Mr. Ali, اذكر اسمك الكامل.
علي دوكماك ALIDOKMAK.
Asmar, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or hold on 1 second. It's a lot of people talking and making noise. So I'm gonna mute. Please be quiet, everyone. Ms. Asmar, do you swear or affirm to interpret English to English to Arabic and Arabic to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you need to interpret calling the case?
Yes, I would. ننادي القضية المرقمة SP 121372331. في هناك نوعين من الاتهام. الاتهام الأول هو وجود لوحة سيارة غير مضبوطة. الاتهام الثاني هو لا يوجد تأمين على السيارة، وتعتبر هذه جنحة.
Mr. Ogletree, how does your client wish to proceed?
He respectfully requesting the pretrial date. We wait for him to read and stand mute. Request a pretrial date.
سيد أوغلتري، شلون تحب نتابع بالقضية؟ موكلي يريد يحدد موعد جديد لجلسة استماع تمهيدية وهو يلتزم الصمت.
All right, so we'll set this for a pretrial January 19th at 8:35.
الموعد القادم هو 19/1 الساعة 8:35 صباحا.
Was there anything further?
أي شيء آخر؟
نفس المحكمة.
Same courtroom.
Yes, sir.
نعم.
وبس في مجال نغير العنوان عشان عندي البيت غيرته.
I would like to update my address at the court record.
Call this number.
سجل عندك هذا الرقم.
You can call this number 313-965-5118.
اتصل بالرقم التالي 313-965-5118.
اوكي. منشان نغير العنوان.
Is this phone number to update my address?
Number to the first floor of the courthouse, and they can assist you in updating your address.
نعم، وفيك تروح للطابق الأول من بداية المحكمة، وهم كمان ممكن يساعدوك في تحديث العنوان.
اوكي. بدك تجيب الزوم.
Further.
أي شيء آخر؟
لا شكرا.
No, thank you.
Okay, you're all set, sir. Have a good holiday.
Thank you.
انتهينا واتمنى لك اعياد مباركه.
ان شاء الله.
Mr. Deering, we finished with your matters. You can hang, you can disconnect. You're muted.
فيك تخرج هلا من المحكمه، انتهينا. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Who else you ready on? Mr. Ogletree, who else are you ready on?
Yes. I have Mr. Rashawn, Ms. Tamara Robinson. Mr. Eddie Ripley.
Okay, this is the people versus Laverne, Rashawn, ticket number P13200023, count 1, drive with revoked license, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Aaron Oshrin, about for Mr. Rashawn. Mr. Rashawn, please state your name.
Laverne Russian.
Yeah, respectfully requesting a bench trial. Today's a show cause day.
Russian, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 19th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set, sir.
You said what's the date?
January 19th.
January 19th. Thank you.
Ogletree, you indicated that you're ready. Have a good holiday, Mr. Russian. You indicated that you're ready on Mr. Tamar Robinson.
Yes, also a request for a bench trial.
Okay, so he has a number of other tickets. Do you want me to set those for bench trial date as well?
Yeah, if all those can be set for a bench trial.
I'm sorry?
If everything can be set for a bench trial.
Okay, so I'll call everything. This is the people versus Tamar Robinson, ticket number P13635110, count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number P1110873, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, improper plate. Ticket number P1190667, count 1, drive on license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1226723, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, drive on license suspended, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 2070506, count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. And ticket number 2070507, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Aaron Oshrin, about for Mr. Tamar Robinson. Say your name.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Robinson. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. There's a, there you are.
Tomorrow, Robert.
It's my understanding, Mr. Robinson, that you want to set these matters for bench trial.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date of January 19th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Happy holiday.
January 19th.
All right, this is the People versus Eddie Ridley, ticket number U 628-17622. Count one, consuming alcohol in public. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Mr. Aaron Overtree, involved with Mr. Eddie Ridley. Mr. Ridley, please state your name.
Eddie Ridley.
Today is the day scheduled for a show cause. There's been an offer put forth of a 3-month delayed sentence. He was to develop himself to the offer.
He's already made admissions to a 3-month delayed sentence. He was supposed to come back on November 23rd, and he did not come back because had he paid a $200 fine, and had he come back, he would have been dismissed. Did you pay a bond?
No. The reason I knew the date, but I never knew the time. I had no information to get back on this Zoom stuff. So that's the only reason I never reported, because I would have been here.
Why didn't you call the court?
I did. They ended up telling me the 15th.
All right, so what, do you have the $200 payment now?
I could pay. I just started this job, so I could pay when I get paid.
When do you get paid?
If I could have like between like 3 weeks from now, I can pay it.
This is a time of giving, and this is the holiday time. I will give you additional time to make this payment and to still take advantage of the delayed sentence.
Okay.
We can come back only because I'm in the holiday spirit.
I appreciate it.
So we'll come back on we'll do January 19th.
Okay.
Have it paid by then. If you don't, then January 19th at 8:35, the exact same Zoom information.
Okay. 8:35.
Yeah, 8:35. What day?
January 19th.
Yeah. So make sure you paid the $200 by then. If you pay that, this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
Likewise.
Thank you. Right, what about Montanique Reed?
Ms. Reed is requesting a pretrial date.
This is the People versus Montanique Reed, ticket number P1247602, count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. I'm sorry, that was count one. Count two is no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Aaron Overtree, involved with Ms. Reed. Ms. Reed, please unmute yourself and state your name.
Montanique Reed.
She's respectfully requesting a pretrial date. Today's the day set
So
for
we'll set this for pre-trial January 19th at 8:35. Any questions?
No.
You're all set, Ms. Reed. Have a good holiday. All right, Mr. Sakash, are you ready, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
We did have the officer here. Bring him out. I did see him. I'm not seeing him right now.
Your Honor, I'm here.
Oh, there you are. Okay, thank you. Okay, you got Roland.
What was it?
Hey, Darnell,
Yes,
since you're the gatekeeper at this point, I am doing a favor for a friend who has an arraignment this afternoon. I'm just getting a new date. Can I get her squeaked in this morning?
it's up to the court, but sure. If
Okay.
the court, okay.
Right. You know, end of the line's fine. I just wouldn't want to come back if I can evade it.
That's fine, that's fine.
Thank you.
Mr. Walker.
Thank you, Judge.
No problem. This is the people versus Sharon Rowland, ticket number SX 4109090, count one, limited access speed 26 to 30 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with the people.
Sergeant Martin with the State Police.
Paula Cole on behalf of the people.
Roman Fitzai on behalf of the defendant.
I know I'm mispronouncing your name. Tell me how to pronounce your last name again.
It's Fitzai, F-I-T-Z-I is how you phonetically say it.
Oh, Fitzai, Fitzai.
Yeah, just like it's spelled.
Yeah.
It's a little different.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
The people are amending count one. The three of us had a discussion, Trooper Martin and Attorney Fitzai. Thank you for helping me pronounce that. And the count one is amended to 11 to 15 limited access. And count two, he will plead to as charged, the tinted windows.
So limited access. Limited access 11 to 15.
Correct.
And then there's a count two.
And count two is tinted windows.
I think count two is in default. Are you requesting that? Let me wait. I don't know why it's not on the docket. Let me look again.
Oh, only count one?
Yeah, but it could have just been an oversight. Let me.
He originally was defaulted on both offenses. We faxed in the appearance and request, which never got processed. So we filed a motion to set aside the default, and that was granted, and everything was set up for today. So maybe they didn't clear that second charge.
I don't know. So any objection to setting aside the default for count two, Ms. Cole?
Oh, none whatsoever, Your Honor.
Okay, so it's the default is set aside. All right, and so he would also be pleading to count two as well?
That's
Yes.
correct.
Okay, so with that, Mr. Fitzai, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
Yes, Your Honor, as we've agreed to the resolution of it.
All right, so the court will amend count one to limited access 11 to 15 miles per hour over posted speed, and we'll accept stipulation as to count two. We'll proceed to sentencing. So there's $150 fine for the limited access, and then there's $120 fine for the equipment violation. I obviously, because these are civil infractions, they're due, and the payment is due in 14 days, so it's a payment of $270. That, because we have the holiday, I'll move it to January 5th.
Very good. Very good, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Fitzai.
All right. Thank you, you too. Thank you,
Thank
Trooper
everyone
Martin
for
and Paula.
their patience. Thank you.
See you, Joe.
Your Honor, there's one dismissal. Rachel Rayfield, Ms. Horns emailed me saying dismiss.
This is the people versus Rachel Rayfield, ticket number P1313942. Count one is no insurance misdemeanor, and count two expired plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Aaron Overfield.
Rachel Rayfield. Oops, sorry.
Go ahead, Ms. Ogletree first.
Aaron Overfield, behalf of Ms. Rayfield. Say your name, Ms. Rayfield.
Go ahead, Ms. Rayfield.
Rachel Rayfield.
Yes. The prosecution sent me an email indicating that the charge is dismissed against Ms. Rayfield.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause, Mr.
We
Ogletree?
stipulate the probable cause.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. I'm assuming that Ms. Rayfield has provided valid documentation, and so these are dismissed. Good luck to you, Ms. Rayfield. Have a good holiday, ma'am.
Thanks, you too.
Judge, we're ready on the very top of the page, Malilo Davis.
What, top of what page?
Top of page 1. That's the one. I give you a middle name, but that's as bad as the first name. Malilo Marekel.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Okay.
The guy at the top of the page.
He's not on top of my page.
Yeah.
Oh, at 8:30.
Oh,
8:30, right.
May Leo Davis. Male Leo. I think that's what it is. Here, I have it right here. Okay, where is he? Is he out?
I don't know, Judge.
He's in room number 9. You might have to go get him. Oh no, he's coming out.
Yes, hello?
All right, this is the people. Mr. Davis, I'm gonna call your case. Let Mr. Wallen say his name first, then you say your name. This is the people versus Male Leo Davis, ticket number SX3873087. Count 1, drove without cycle endorsement / no moped license. Good morning, please say your name, sir.
Philip X. Walling, representing your Mr. Davis. State your name, please, sir.
Malil Davis.
I was pretty close. Your Honor, at this time, my client wishes to set aside all the warrants involved in this, have these matters set for a pretrial.
All right, the court will set aside warrants set this for pre-trial for January 19th at 8:35.
You're all set, Mr. Davis.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one, Mr. Davis. Have a good holiday.
You too.
Thank you. Are we ready? Anything else, Mr. Ogletree, or?
I don't think so, Judge. Not till I get word from,
I just have 4 cases I need offers on. That's
Right.
all that's remaining.